Before injection, always remember to attach a new safety pen needle. Carefully remove the seal from the safety pen needle. For your safety, once the seal is removed, do not put your finger on the back end of the needle to avoid needle stake. Push the safety pen needle onto the pen and twist until it's tightly attached. Remove the outer protective cap on the needle. Make sure you do not press the clear outer shield before use. Always check the flow into the pen needle before each injection by priming the device with an air shot. Select the right dose medication to inject, recommended by your healthcare professional. Insert the injection pen at the 90 angle to the desired injection site, keeping it vertical. Exert the gentle pressure on the injection pen until the clear outer shield fully retracts and the white sleeve is flush with the skin. The safety mechanism is triggered at this moment. Perform the injection and hold for 10 seconds before withdrawing to ensure the delivery of the full dose and to prevent the leakage of a medication. After injection, carefully remove the needle from the skin. Color the inner shield becomes invisible. Remove the safety pen needle from the pen. For your safety, do not place fingers on the back end of the needle to prevent needle stake. Deposit the safety pen needle into a suitable sharps container.